Hey there, darling. This is Faith. And this reflection is how to stay soft after being strong for too long. Before I say anything, I want us to pause. Take a deep breath in, exhale, empty out. One more. Deep breath in and exhale. Continue to breathe gently in and out of your nose and know that you can take a couple of deep sighs out of your mouth if that feels juicy for you as I move into my next thoughts and share a little reflection. Know that you can also close your eyes during this process. It really helps to soften the nervous system and allow you to drop into a place of ease. There's a version of strength that sometimes becomes a costume. It can be a role that we didn't choose, a performance that our families demanded, our culture, or even our past somehow trained us into being harder, being stronger, putting up all the walls to protect ourselves. And you know what? We had to carry that language for a really long time. But I want you to know, strength becomes muscle memory. Strength becomes expectations. Strength becomes survival. And eventually, strength becomes, you know what I'm about to say, exhaustion. I want you to feel into this moment with me. Not to judge yourself, not to analyze anything, but simply to notice. Here we go. Where in your body have you been bracing? Where have you been performing that I'm fine, I'm okay version? And where have you been holding on more than one person could possibly sustain? Softening is not the opposite of strength. Softening is the remembering. I'm going to repeat that. Softening is the remembering. It is the returning, the way your spirit says, I deserve to be held. So I want you to place your hand on your body. Maybe one hand on your heart, the other one on your belly, or anywhere that feels true to you. Ask yourself quietly, where did I first learn that softness was unsafe? Who taught me that strength meant silence? And what happens inside of me when I let even a corner of my armor loosen? You don't have to surrender everything today. It's okay. You don't have to transform all at once. But know that softening begins in moments like this. They're tiny, they're intentional, and they're oh so tender. Softness does not diminish you. Softness deepens you. Softness is the portal to everything you've been craving. Ease, safety, connection, and yes, joy. So breathe another inhale. Draw it in. Feel it move through your entire body. Exhale and release. And let the strength you had to perform and hold on to slowly melt away. All right, darling. Stay soft, stay grounded, and always stay spiritually fly.